Hey guys, happy Thursday. So I was in the mood for like another unwitch, and then I heard there's like an Unritto around this world, and I was like, okay, I saw my homegirl Heather put some ground beef in her Unritto, and I was like, you know what, let me see what I can do. So I went with an Asian flair. I made this Asian kind of like teriyaki barbecue chicken that I let marinate overnight, and when I cooked it up, I added some mushrooms, added some honey, and let me tell you right there, let alone is delicious. Okay, then I made my bacon fried rice, and then I assembled. I took my iceberg lettuce, I filled it up. I did add some sweet potato because I am carb upping, okay? And then I added some more sriracha. I did add some pepper jack cheese because, you just can't forget that extra little cheese and calories to make up, okay? And then I rolled it up like, I'm a professional roller. And then I put the foil to make sure I secured it, cut it up, and let me tell you, I wish I had more sriracha. Man, I ran out of sriracha when I was building this thing because I like spicy Asian food, and I would have made like some kind of, and I couldn't find my garlic chili sauce. But anyways, you guys, this was so fire. I'm so glad that I started making these unwitched because I am hooked. Okay, have a good day, guys.